Hey, what is up, guys? It is week 72. This is the week we decided to not do picks on Sunday night, do them on Monday night, kind of see how the market is. Since we've been noticing Tuesdays have been a down day already, so our buys on Monday we haven't been netting as well. So we're going to adapt and evolve and change, which we should, because this is the summer months of trading. It's a lot slower, it's a lot different than normal trading. So we're going to stick with this process until we do. I fought this process here for a while. I just want to stick with my process. I knew we get through the summer trading months, and then, just hope to be profitable. But I always say, don't just hope, change, adapt, make it happen. So I'm following what I say. We're changing and adapting. So let's start with this week's picks. AVP. Again, RSI and CCI look good. And also it's a little interesting looking at the picks. It's kind of clear what's happening today and what wasn't. Let's see how this week goes, and I'm very curious. So this week is going to go from buying everything on Tuesday, selling when you can, last chance Monday for the new picks for the following week, right? So we'll follow our same process, our same idea process for the swing trading, holding 1 to 4 days, depending upon the performance of the stock. Okay, so AVP, RSI, CCI look good. That's what we like to see as an initial haze. Are people looking at it? Is it trending? Is it has momentum, right? Here we had an up day and kind of went from about 153 to 158, so nice little move there today. Had volume right about 4.3 million, which is a good sign of nice volatility and price action. MACD's coming up, full stochastics coming up. It looks like it has, if you look down here at the volume, mid-March, early July has days where it could be a spiker, which is a good thing. Actually, spike in volume, not necessarily price, as they go back up here, but a lot of action, a lot of price action. People like this stock. You can kind of see by the wicks on these bars that has movement throughout the day. So looking good. Check this one out. So let's go back here to our trend spider. Was having issues with this today, but let's see if it holds up and makes it happen. AVP Avon products. So we don't always stick to biotech. Some other stuff does pop up on our scan, and we get what the market gives us, right? So end of the day today, it was down here about 158. It has this resistance here at 169, and the next one up here at 183. So it's looking good there as far as resistance wise. Now this one overlay here is not really going, but let's jump over to CYH, the next one. Again, same thing, RSI, CCI, kind of bottom out here and started turning up. 335, we got about a 332 buy. The rule's looking good, kind of bottom out here. You want to see that red line continue down and cross over the 50, which is a good sign, and have that green start trending up. Kind of here at the bottom, room to accumulate. Now the ADX doesn't look too good, but looking for that to turn around tomorrow since the shaking money flow. A lot of people bought in today, and the MACD strongly swinging up here. Overall, looking good with about 2.7 million volume today. And DNR, this has been a good one. We've caught it here through the sub channel here and there, and we rode it up. So we're going to see here and play it again. Looks like it kind of downtrended, kind of went sideways here, consolidated a little bit, and still has room to go. The room's looking good, room to accumulate. The green looks like it's turning up and the red's turning down, which is really good. And then the shaking money flow, which again, is an indicator we, really like it. That means just money's coming in. For this to move up, and depending on the angle as well, that means people are buying at the higher end as well. MACD here is curling right around underneath the zero line coming up. And the full stochastic right here at the bottom looking to come up through as well. 12.8 million on volume on this one. So this one, good price action today. What is that? Mid 427 to about 468 movement today. So nice, about 7-8% on that one. Let's see if we can get it moving here on the trend spider. Well, looks like it just kind of froze out on me here, but that's all right. All right, we're going to kick that to the curb today. SVGL, again, RSI and CCI look good. That means, Monday it's made it happen. Gapped up here today with the open right about 240 and final its way to 247. The room's looking really strong. Room to accumulate. The ADX looking really good. Everything's looking good on this one. 2.4, 2.5 volume. This one's looking good. Spiking up here. We got, it looks like it's right about a resistance line, so we want to see it break that and continue up. MYND. Now this was a popular day traded stock today, as you can see with this long wick here on the bar. Had a lot of volume, 15.9 million in volume. End of the day at 186. Tomorrow I have a 175 buy because I want to see this one. I believe it's going to continue up past $2 and make our 5% for our swing trade. Everything's pointing up, hence today. A lot of senseless day trade. A lot of people sold it off, so that's why the chicken's down there. But I think tomorrow we'll see people come into the stock and continue to write it up. You know, maybe this one we won't even have for the whole day. But we'll try to make our 5% and get on out. OBE. Obsidian Energy. RSI and CCI again are looking good. Kind of has this pattern of up and down, and right now it kind of has resistance up here about 115. Looking to buy it at 105 and ride it up to, looks like today hit 110. Trend this up maybe to the end of the week to 112, hopefully 115, and grab a nice percentage out of it. ADX just crossed over, and full stochastics coming through on the bottom. So again, still volume here, 1.6 million, looking good. These are our 6 picks for the week, 6 swing trades. Be smart getting in your stocks, guys, and we will see you this week. Happy trading.